Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see when your Costco card expires. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to be a Costco member. How do you actually go ahead and see when your Costco membership expires? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the Costco app. Next, we're going to go ahead and click on the bottom middle hand corner where it says account. So once it finishes loading, go ahead and click on account. Now, if your Costco card is going to renew or expire anytime soon, you are going to see a banner on the upper right hand corner. So as you can see, mine says expires in 49 days. But if that doesn't show, you could actually go ahead and scroll down and then you could actually click on digital membership card. And here we have some more blurred out information, but you can see that my membership expires on October 31st, 2025. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see when your Costco membership expires. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.